Hi there. In this knowledge sharing video, we are going to learn how to access AWS EC2 instance from Windows 10 using PuTTY. Now go to putty.org and download PuTTY. Download it from here. Select the installer as per your system's requirement. Once downloaded, install it. I'm not going to install it as I have already installed it. It is pretty straightforward to install it. Once installed, go to Windows search bar and type PuTTY. Make sure you have PuTTY.exe and PuTTYgen.exe listed in the search result. At first, open PuTTYgen. I believe you must have downloaded PuTTY for your EC2 instance while launching your instance. If not, go to your EC2 management console, select your instance, and create a new key pair for yourself. You can create your new key pair from here. Enter your key pair name, select PEM as your key file format, and click on Create Key Pair. Now let's go back to PuTTYgen and generate a new PPK file from the PEM key. Click on Load button and select and open your PEM key. Close the prompt by clicking on OK. Here most people does mistake by clicking on Generate button after loading PEM key. Please don't do that. Okay, now finally click on Save Private Key. Click on Yes. Enter name of the PPK key as per your convenience and save it. I am naming it as Test. Now we can close PuTTYgen. Now once again search for PuTTY in search bar and open PuTTY. In here we need three details: hostname or the IP address, the username, and the PPK file that we just now generated. To get the first two details, go back to your EC2 management console, select your instance and click on Connect. Now in the SSH client tab, look for example command. Here Ubuntu is our username and this is our IP address. Copy your IP address and go back to your PuTTY configuration and paste your hostname in here. Again copy your username, go back to PuTTY. Inside connection we have data and in login details paste your username. Now expand SSH, click on Auth. Now browse and select your PPK file. Before connecting to the instance, let's save our session. I'll tell you the benefit of saving this session in some time. I'm naming it as EC2 instance. Let's save it. Cool. Now go back to Auth again and click on Open. It will connect to our EC2 instance in some moment. Click on accept. Here it is. We are able to access our EC2 instance. Now let's close this session. Now let's open PuTTY again. Go to session. Now in here we can select our saved instance, click on load and directly hit on open. Now you can see we are able to access our instance easily. Now go ahead and try to access your instance using PuTTY. Thank you.